Hello mga ka-Maybelline! Ready na ba kayo sa pinakaabangang beauty sale this month? Because the Maybelline birthday promos are coming this May 11 to 18. And grabe, sobrang sulit nito. Imagine this, your favorite Maybelline bestsellers with up to 50% off, buy one take one deals, plus extra discount pa. Yes, mga mi! Kasali dito ang Super Stay Matte Ink, Teddy Tint, Sky High Mascara, Fit Me Foundation, Instant Eraser at Lumimatte. At marami pang iba. Kaya kung matagal mo naming gustong mag-stock ng mga makeup essentials mo, this is your sign. At wait, may mga limited deals lang for first buyer. Kaya dapat nakaabang kayo ha? So mark your calendar, May 11 to 18, Maybelline birthday promos. Promise, hindi ito ang sale na gusto mong mamiss. Follow, like, and stay tuned dahil ipapakita ko lahat ng best deals.